Jessica Irish and welcome to this tutorial on performing ordinary least squares regression using Stats Models library. Before we start, let's talk about the Stats Models library. So, Stats Models is a powerful Python library for statistical modeling, obviously from the name itself, as well as for conducting statistical tests. Ibig sabihin, pwede natin magamit ng Stats Models for regression, time series analysis, ANOVA, and other models and tools. But in this video, ang focus natin ay doing linear regression, specifically OLS regression. So, let's get started.
Gagamit ulit tayo ng Jupyter Notebook for our Python coding, and here's the overview or step-by-step process ng paggawa ng regression using Stats Models. So let's start by importing Stats Models. Then npm as sn, as well as the other required libraries such as NumPy, and Pandas. So, kailangan natin mga yan for data manipulation. Shift Enter. So let's load our example data set. So create ang data frame df pd.read. So ang file na gagamitin ko ay salary.csv na again kinuha ko ulit sa online. Nothing. And here's our data set. Meron columns for years experience and salary. So, i-analyze natin yung dalawang yan. And proceed tayo sa defining variables. Independent variable natin would be years of experience. Then, dependent naman ay yung salary. So, mag-add tayo ng constant para to ensure na yung model ay merong intercept. So, is Hit enter. Now, let's use the ordinary least squares method to build and fit our model. So, .ols .fit. Next, gagamitin natin yung model to make predictions. Oh my god. That's pretty. As you can see, ito na yung mga predicted values natin. So, for index 0, balikan lang natin. Index 0 ay may 1.2 years of experience. So, sa loob ng 1.2 years, ang predicted na salary ng isang employee ay 36,188.15. Let's assume na dollars to. So, pagdating sa, let's say, dito sa index 8, ang index 8 ay may 3.3 years of experience. So, ang magiging sweldo na niya ay 56,033. So, lumaki, no? Let's proceed sa summary of the model. Oh, nakahanap pala. Ayan. So, ito na yung OLS regression results natin. So, provided na yung mga statistics such as yung R squared na may 0.957 or 95.7% of the variance in salary is explained by years of experience. So, pa-indicate din dito yung p-values. Yan yung coefficients. So, sa intercept, may 24,850 na salary kapag ang experience ay 0 pa lang. So, 9,449 naman pag every additional year of experience. So, to visualize the result para maintindihan natin yung data ng mas maayos, import tayo ng Matplotlib. Then, ito din, scatter. Okay. Sige. So, lagyan natin ng label data. Then for plot, Mm. Mhm. So this would be a regression line. Graded turn table for x and y axis. As well as title. And legend na din. Click enter. Ayun. Oh, dito pa. Yan. So, here's our plot and regression line. So, the scatter plot shows the actual data points. Tapos yung red naman is yung regression line natin. So, ang pinaka-interpretation lang dyan is so, pag patagal ng patagal yung years of experience ng isang employee, mas tumataas yung salary. So, yeah. So, this visual confirms the relationship between the years of experience and salary. So, this is how you perform OLS regression using the Stats Models library. We started with loading the dataset, fitting the model, plus interpreting the results and visualizing it. Now it's your turn to apply these steps to your own datasets, experiment with other variables, and see what insights you can uncover. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you and see you next time.